What's going on YouTube? Your boy, not your average hybrid, back with another video. And as you can tell from the title, we back with the spark. And as you can see, you got a little bit of maintenance. Very minor, but important. Stay tuned. Alright, you see the fin next to me, you feel me? Still smacked up the mirror. But here is the filter. So this is the cabin air filter. So this is, the air you breathe. Currently at 82,000 miles, so haven't changed it yet. Got this off Amazon for about, I think, $13.40. I'll put it right there. But let's get straight to it. Let's not make this video too long. So first things first, you start with the glove box. So make sure everything's out of your glove box. And, restart the process. So either you can Superman strengthen, because it's two tabs, one on this side and one on that side. You can either Superman strengthen, push it in on both sides, and it'll pop down. But yeah, I guess that's only if you've been hitting the gym. So it does come with two 7mm screws. Let me see if I can zoom in on one right there. Yeah, pulls right there. And the other one there, as you can see, boom. All right, so yep, I took one of them out. You only have to take out one, as you can see right here. Pretty decent length screw. So yeah, just took that out with an extension. It says 7mm. So just put that in there, about 20-30 times. Took the screw out, then this pops down, so then I can move it to the left and right. And you no need to take out the other screw. And then, as you can see, hold on, turn the flash on. As you can see, here it is. This is the cabin air filter. As you can see, two tabs to pull down on. So let me just pop those loose real quick. Just pull them towards you. One, already did it. Two, this will pop up. Then whammoo. There is what we were looking for. So we just pull it straight out. Boom. Pull it straight out, and wee, that's what I've been breathing? Nasty! You see the difference? Oh my goodness. Ugh, y'all see that? That's what your air's filtered through. Let me see the back side. Oh, the back side ain't. But yo, oh my, this was all being sucked in. Sheesh, nasty. Yeah, I see it's all dusty and everything. Leaves, okay, well, I'm gonna put them side by side to get this out of the plastic and we'll really see the difference. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness, as you can see, the dirty and the clean. Ooh, nasty. Yeah, definitely that time. So yeah, guys, if you haven't changed your cabin air filter, and if you're over 82,000 miles like me, so this is more than likely what you're looking like. So yeah, definitely don't neglect this minor maintenance filter. Next thing is gonna be the engine air filter, so definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna plop this in real quick, guys. And yeah. You guys can really see it, but yeah, getting the screw big in might be a little hard, so I had to use some pliers. Put it on the pliers and start screwing it in. Now I can grab the 7mm, tighten them on up. Just pretty much get up in here, and you can pretty much just hand twist it so it gets real tight. So. And yeah, boom, I'll tighten back up. Close it like normal. Opens up. So yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. So yeah, like I said, you could either do it like this, and it got the little tabs holding it in, but you're gonna need some super strength. So what I just did was just take a 7mm, get it in there, like I said, with my extension. Boom, extension, and 7mm. And then, loosen it up. Then boom, take the screw out, pop this side off, push it in, up to the right, then down to the left, it'll drop down, pop those two tabs, pull the old filter out. As you can see, nasty, grab the new filter, slide it straight in, pretty much same, you know, this don't really matter as long as it's the same, you know, like width size as you pretty much pulled it out. You know, pretty much. It'll say the airflow on there, so you'll know. Put that in, put your tails back down, hold it up. Maybe use your pliers to get the screws started. Boom, then finish it up with the 7mm and you're all good to go. But yeah, guys, quick little vid. If you didn't know, now you know. You know I had to, you feel me, test out the air quality. It just smelled clean, okay. It just smells fresh. And I think it flowed better too, for real. So yeah, definitely a must, guys. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay, shorty. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely change your cabin air filter, guys. Do not forget. Till next time.